Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread egg full guide. Start by gathering 3 cups flour, 1 cup warm water, 2 tsp yeast, 1 tsp salt, and 2 eggs. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for 8 to 10 minutes until elastic. Let the dough rise in a warm spot until doubled, shape gently, brush with egg wash, and bake until golden and hollow sounding. Gather your ingredients in one spot to streamline the process and avoid mistakes. Measure 3 cups flour, 1 cup warm water, 2 large eggs, 2 tsp yeast, and 1 tsp salt, plus optional sugar or butter. Warm water should be comfortably warm to the touch to activate yeast without killing it. Lightly beat an extra egg for egg wash to achieve a glossy, golden crust on the finished loaf. Mixing and kneading set the structure for your bread, so be patient and steady. Start with liquids and yeast, then fold in flour until a shaggy mass forms. Finish by kneading for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place in an oiled bowl, cover, and let rise in a warm spot until doubled. Gently deflate, shape into a loaf, allow a short proof, then bake until the crust is golden and the center sounds hollow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.